All right, hey guys, welcome to Question and Answer. Today is Sunday, December 27th, and I thought we would start out with question and answers. So, got some really good questions on the channel, and I just thought I would address them personally. The first one is from Carp 1959, and they ask, does anyone know a video showing how to do a carpet runner with a pattern on a winding stairs? Well, I did answer that question in the video, and I thought this would be a great thing to explain in a video. Now, we did get talking back and forth that Carp 1959 was concerned about, how do you match the pattern on the winding stairs? Well, from my understanding is you can't, because the angle of the stair is going to be greater. Now, there is a staircase coming up that I'm doing a herringbone runner on, that if you template the carpet, there is a possibility that you can match up the lines. But in my experience, matching up the lines has really never been a problem. You guys can see all the videos that are out there. We just do what we do, and we tell the customer, it's very, very difficult to line up the lines. So that would be the answer to that. Thank you very much for your question. Thanks for watching. Next question. Alexis Taylor asks about installing a carpet runner on the stairs, and she asks, is this easy removal? I want to do this in my townhouse. Absolutely, it's an easy removal. There's a few staples involved. Sometimes there's a lot of staples involved. You just pull all those staples, or if you feel that you can't pull them out, you can bang them in with a hammer, and then, give it a sweep, give it a vacuum, and you're good to go. Thanks for your question. Thanks for watching. Now here's a question from Sean Sayer. What's the tool called to jam the carpet in the corner? It looks like a thick putty knife. Well, thanks for your question, Sean. And yes, it's basically a thick putty knife. It's called a carpet tucker. And I will leave a link in the description down below so that you can check it out. I saw them on Amazon the other day. And thanks for your question, and thanks for watching. All right. Kyle Cooper says, what's your method for securing the pad, carpet tape, thoughts on not using pad? Hey Kyle, thanks for your question. I think the what you're asking is how do we secure the pad on the stairs. We use a hammer stapler gun that has just, normal staples in it. I'll leave a link in the description of what it looks like and what it is, if I can, and I hope that helps. As far as your question to thoughts on not using pad, we always like to use pad because it helps the absorption of sound. It helps, protect the carpet over time. It feels better on the feet. And sometimes carpet with no pad on it, that carpet seems to move a little bit more. The pad will help kind of grip it. And because it's soft and it absorbs a little bit, it'll kind of just make it not move around as much. Just in my opinion, we always put pad. There's not too many times. I can't remember a time when we didn't put under pad on the stairs. And thanks for your question, by the way, and thanks for watching. All right, here's a question from Arnaud Bourdonnais. I hope I said that right, Arnaud. He says, hi, great job. Just wanted to know what type of underlay you're using for the runner. He says, my goal is to make the walking up and down as quiet as possible, since it would be for flat stairs, bedroom on each side. Well, that's a great question. We use a 10 mil gold foil top underpad with vapor barrier. The standard seems to be, in our area, half of that. A very cheap non-vapor barrier, not very soft, not very thick. Just a, basic underpad. We upgraded it years ago. We don't even use cheap pad. We only use, top of the line pad. It just makes for a better install, makes for quieter sound, it feels better on your feet. It's just better all around. So spend the money, get the better pad. Denser, the better. Like I said, we use 10 mil. You can go up from there, but 10 mil usually does the job for us. But remember, always use great pad. And thanks for the question. Here's a question from Jeff Gushman. I hope I said that right, Jeff. Well, Jeff and I actually talked online through email. Here's Jeff's question. Do you have a link on how we can order the prefab runners from you for DIY? I'm in the US, not sure if that's a possibility. Well, yes it is, Jeff. As we were speaking on online, we just don't have our runner website done from our IT guy yet. We're really trying to make it as perfect as possible. We do have our personal site. It's directcarpet.ca. You can go check out all our stuff there. As far as the runner's concerned, we are on it ASAP, and we're hoping to have it ready to go in the next week or two. And you can order all those runners there that you see in the videos. And Jeff, again, thanks for your question. You can email me, sales@directcarpet.ca, for any kind of inquiries, and ship you guys international shipping of any of those runners that you're interested in. Just leave a comment, or like I said, sales@directcarpet.ca. And Jeff, thanks for your question, buddy. All right, here is a question from Onkanuko. I hope I said that right. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the question. The question here is, how often do you see stairs with just the tops? I don't see the tops of the stairs very often. You can see in one of the videos that I did, the ultra modern stair carpet installation. Is it really that hard? We did the tops, and we did it with an extremely hard carpet to work with. Anderson Tuftex by Shaw with the felt backing. Very, very tough. It's one of the first ones I've seen in a long time. I love it. It looks great. It's a little bit of a difficult install. You have to put the smooth edge very, very tight to the risers, and you have to have a very, very clean cut, and you have to pressure fit that in there. Now in the video you can see I pop a couple staples within the smooth edge. That's just to hold that Anderson Tuftex Shaw stuff down, because it doesn't want to hook with the felt and the thickness of it and the latex on the back. It does not want to hook to those smooth edge pins. So I will pop a staple in every once in a while, but with normal carpet, you should be able to put the smooth edge tight, give it a nice little kick, tighten it in there, and bang those pins down for pressure fit that in there, and it should be fine, really. And thanks for your question. Great question. Here's a question from Rachel Racine. She says, hi Keith, so beautiful. I need a little help to know what to do with stairs like this, but with a carpet floral design on it. Can we do the same thing? Thanks, Rachel. And Rachel's referring to the video, how to install carpet on curved stairs. Or, I guess, rounded stairs she's asking. In this video, these are the pie stairs that step up 1, 2, 3. Same thing. As I believe, you know, you're never going to match the pattern, but it really doesn't matter as far as I'm concerned. As much as I'm very picky on how my stairs look, and I want it to be perfect for the client or customer, you know, what I've learned is you're really not going to match that pattern as much as you want on these stairs. Floral pattern, sure, just turn it. You know, if there's a video that I can help you out with that you need a little bit more explanation, there is that video, the tutorial video on how to carpet a turning staircase. That's a great video where I use paper templates, and then I draw the pattern on to match from the straight staircase on the bottom to the 3 pies to the next staircase, straight staircase on the top. And that's the way I've been doing it for years now, and people are fine with it. There's no complaints on the pattern not matching. People understand that the math necessarily doesn't work. Listen, guys, I want to thank you for all your questions. I want to thank you for all the subscribers and all the likes and all the love. It's been great, and I hope that this helps a little bit. This is Keith Shannon signing off. We'll see you next time.